at campsite number 9 at the Knob Noster State Park. I really love our spot. Lots of space. It is muddy, but that's okay. We're on a very big concrete pad. Oh boy. Was that fun?
Yeah. Wait, don't go again.
Oh, hang on. Let her get her breath. And there she goes. Oh my gosh. You crazy dog.
Go.
You're so silly. Again. And she's like, okay. No, Lily. I'm gonna go ahead and pick him up. See how it's really smooth underneath there? I hope you can see it. These are Chantilly. I don't think I'm maybe saying that right. And they're actually edible. And they say that these mushrooms are like real fruity taste. That breeze feels good. Oh my God, I just love it. Love it. Hi, Bonnie. Got really close. Crazy dog. Oh! Don't hold on to her. She's swimming. Don't. Come on, girl. You got it. Come on, Lily. Come on. Come on, Lily. Come on. Mateo. No, it's Mateo. Yeah. There's hiking trails over here. Yeah, we're going to stop on up here.